Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Resend Things. Really quick, really simple, nice and easy. I'm not going to prolong this intro at all. A really simple floral arrangement DIY that you can do at home. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you how I put it together. I found this little water container at the Dollarama that I'm going to use as my container to start my floral arrangements. And I'm using all my leftover floral picks. I have a couple of these boxes. You can see I'm just kind of rummaging through here and just taking out floral picks that I think will suit this container. And what I ended up finding was 3 of these little florals. I don't know what they're called, maybe peonies or carnations or something. I don't know what they're called. And some leftover floral picks from previous projects. I'm going to use those along with this green floral foam, wire cutters, and my handy dandy glue gun and glue sticks. Now for this project, I just decided to do like a little drawing to show you how I do my floral arrangements. Usually I have a container, obviously. This one is going to be the green, and I have a first tier, which is going to be the lowest portion. And then there's a middle tier, which is a medium size, and then the top tier, which is our longest and highest floral picks. I'm not a floral designer. This is usually how I do my floral arrangements with 3 different heights, and I find it works for me, and if you want to use it, that's great. Here I'm just starting off with my container, and I'm going to measure how high I want that floral foam. So I'm just taking a pencil, I'm just roughly marking it out how high I want it to be, and then all I'm going to do is take my scissors, open them up nice and wide, and then I'm just going to cut that floral foam, take it apart, and take that plastic off as well. I'm going to grab my glue gun and glue sticks, and I'm just going to put a large amount of glue at the bottom and place that right in the middle of my container. And this is going to hold all of our floral picks in place. I'm starting off with this purple floral, and this is the medium length. And I know I wanted to put it at the back, so I just throw that at the back, as you can see here, with some hot glue to make sure it sticks in there. And then I'm going to cut the long length of floral picks using my pliers and then adding some glue. And this is going to be that top tier. So this is the longest length of floral picks that I'm using. You can kind of see here I've got those long picks and the medium picks to start my floral arrangement. And now here is my lower portion, which is those cut floral picks already that I had. And I'm just again using the hot glue and sticking those right into the green foam, creating that lower layer. So once I get that all in, I have all 3 of my layers. I've got the lower layer, the middle layer, and then the longest one. I'm going to add some leftover greenery and this greenery buds as well, just to kind of fill in the empty spaces, along with some more of those leftover floral picks that I've used in a previous video. I think these pink ones and the purple ones I used in an Easter video a little while ago, and I'm just kind of spraying them all out and seeing how it all looks. You can kind of see here all the 3 different levels, and I'm just going to fluff them up a little bit, creating a little floral arrangement. Nice and easy, nice and quick, and it looks perfect outside on my table in our backyard patio. I've got the pink florals, I've got the purple, and then those pink and cream color florals right at the bottom. A perfect little floral arrangement using leftover floral picks. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for joining me as always. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.